Hey guys, I'm going to show you just how easy it is to do the double crochet. So this is what you do. To begin a double crochet stitch, the first thing that you want to do is create 3 chain stitches. So I'm going to yarn over and pull through. Yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through. And then you want to yarn over and find the next stitch over to your left. Don't go through the one you're sitting in or it's going to look very strange. So I'm going to go through this one, which is the next stitch over, and I'm going to yarn over and pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And I'm just going to repeat the process going all the way down the row. So I'm going to yarn over, go through my next stitch to the left. You don't have to pick up 2 like I'm doing, you can do 1. If you pick up 1, it's going to create a bar design on one side. Either way is okay. So yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So yarn is wrapped around, go through the next stitch over. I'm going to yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And this process gets much quicker with practice. So again, just work right to left. You have to wrap the yarn around the needle, which is called a yarn over. Go through the next stitch, pick up 2, wrap the yarn across the needle, pull through 2. When the yarn's in the left, you wrap under, up and over, pull through 2. Under, up and over, pull through 2. My last stitch always ends up being a little bit on the side where I pick up my 2. So yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2. And to do the next line, you simply turn your work over and start the process again. So the first thing you do, and this is only for the first stitch, is you do 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. And then I'm going to find the next stitch over to my left. So it's going to be this one where my left thumb is. So yarn over, go into that stitch, pick up 2, and then yarn over, pull through those 2, yarn over, pull through the next 2, yarn over, pull through the final 2. So yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. I always recommend counting as you go along just to make sure you're not getting too many or too few stitches. So know how many you start out with so that you can keep track of it, and every so often double check that you're not dropping any stitches or adding any stitches unintentionally, or your project's going to look a little lopsided. And there is your double crochet stitch.